VTSV Auto, what's up guys? I'm really excited. Y'all know when I find new products, I be the first to put you on. You know what I mean? I seen this, I found this company, I seen some of their work, I thought it was dope. This is Wizard Cooling. We are an authorized dealer, so if you need it, give me a holler. I can order it for you. And I like clean pieces that when it come together, it looks as if almost it was a factory put in. They make pretty dope and custom radiator, intercooler, overflow, very dope products. Dual fan setup for the 72 that we're doing for Mr. Lofton. It's really clean. What I like about it is it all bolts in, you know, uniquely to the vehicle. Nice. So what you're looking at is a combination of a condenser and heat exchanger for the supercharger. It's all bolts in together as one piece. This is the first two, which is the heat exchanger and condenser for the AC, and then it bolts directly to the radiator with the dual fan shroud. You do have to buy the radiator cap separate, like with most high-end places, Be Cool, Ron Davis. I believe all of them you have to buy the cap. So you can get these, the regular polished aluminum, but we got the black powder coating, the upcharge for that. But with the color scheme that we're going on Lofton car, I think this is the perfect fit. Check this out, guys. It has the overflow built in for the radiator, as well as the overflow built in for the supercharger. All mounted to the fan shroud, dual fan setup, and then you can see where you mount that to the front of it. So you guys can see the side with a connection and drain for the overflow for the radiator, connection for the fan. So you guys can see the connection port for the intercooler, drain for it. I really like their quality of construction though, like their wire connections for the fan, heavy duty, you know, versus some of the stuff that we've seen on aftermarket fans. But if you like, this is what just fucked me up when I first saw this product. Like, check this out, dude. The LT5 will plumb the supercharger into here, you know, inlet, outlet. The overflow for the radiator is here. So it has a shroud, a piece that comes over and bolts to the factory locations of the radiator support. And that's the piece we're missing, as well as the hardware for this.